In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Keyboard 30500 to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a convenient, portable, easy-to-use keyboard from Samsung, and you can connect it to all devices primarily through Bluetooth. You can connect with up to 3 devices simultaneously and easily swap between them. In order to connect it to a laptop, you have to go over to the Bluetooth and devices settings. So go to the control panel or look for settings and then Bluetooth and devices. Very first thing, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, choose the option to add a new device. And now to enable pairing mode on your keyboard, you have to press and hold either F7, F8, or F9. If you have never used the keyboard before, I recommend using F7 first, so you can clearly tell by this tiny Bluetooth icon alongside a number that each of these will serve to connect to one device. So you could have your laptop connected through this first slot. The second one could be used on an iPad, for example, and the last one, another device altogether. Either way, just press one of these buttons down and hold it. Once you hold it down for a few seconds, the keyboard will go into pairing mode and it is going to be detected by nearby devices. So choose the option to add device once it is in pairing mode, and when you see the keyboard appear on this list, all you have to do is select it. It is going to remain connected to the laptop until you power it off, or you switch devices by pressing one of the other buttons here. If it doesn't work, make sure that the keyboard has been powered on through the power switch at the left side, and make sure that it has enough batteries. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.